Alright, so watch you now. That video you know I'm going to show you how to change your AC cabin filter. Or simply your AC filter in your Toyota Alphard or your Toyota Vellfire. And I'm not hard to do. You don't need no specialized tool. All you need are just a tool and them. So you just open the door. That are the passenger door we are talking about. And then most of these filters are located behind the glove compartment, above or below the blower motor. So you open the glove compartment, use both hands to remove the glove compartment. However, you may want to release the shocks, the glove compartment shocks, normally located on the left hand side. So once you release the glove compartment shocks, some of them get a little bit of trouble, especially if you put on back. In this case, this don't give so much trouble. So once you do that, then you just remove the glove compartment, put it one side, and the white thing the way I look pan in front of you now, it have in your blower motor and the AC filter, your cabin filter. So you squeeze both sides. Some of them carry only one clip, some carry two. It no matter. Then see the filter you look on there. So you take it out. Say dirty. Now, the thing what I want you to pay attention to right here so is that sometimes you don't get the original one for buy. So you might just put in any little one you get. But at the end of the day, it's a filter. So we're going to make a comparison now between the one what we just take out and a brand new one. Them kind of standard too, by the way. So we remove this from the box now. This is the brand new one, and look on the one what we just take out. You see that? Problem. So anyway, we're going to put in the new one, you know. It's simple. You don't need no specialized tool, as we say. All you need are your hand them and common sense. Some of them, you might see a marking on it where say up, so you can't go that way there. Some of them are the way they go in. In this case, you put it in this way. Good? So I hit that. So it is above your blower motor. Now, you just put on back your cover. See there? Make it click. And then now a time now if you put up back your glove compartment. Now installing or replacing the glove compartment now sometimes kind of a bit tricky. But all you have to do, line up back where the inches them there. See there, see the groove feet dropping in. One there so, one there so. So you just line them up back. I think you're supposed to hear a distinct click. And then now for the shocks now, you turn the shocks while look away now to ensure say it go on back. So once you put on back now, you hear click. And once it click now, you just connect back your shocks. Put up there so, put on back the shocks. See it? Good. So I eat that. So you know nothing more to worry about right here. So watch you know. If you feel you learn something, just do the right thing and I eat that.